everyone, my name is Anastasia Vazquez and I'm the Student Council President for the Cosmetology program. I wanted to come on here to share my experience with you guys about our online classes that we're having now. I really do enjoy them, and I think it's a convenient way for us to still stay in touch with our instructors and to make sure that we're still on the right track and working towards our goal and working towards our dream. I feel like our instructors are doing an amazing job with everything that they're giving us, from guest speakers to the assignments, from watching, hair tutorial videos, how to do this and what's the formula for this and how to go about, getting a color from this to that. So I feel like they're doing a really good job with the resources that they do have and with everything that's going on. I feel like we're still, on track, and we're still learning everything that we need to know. We're also getting certified in several different things, so I think that's amazing. I think it's a really good opportunity for us to take to, still work on those skills. It's extra time that we have to work on skills and to focus on theory. So I think it's going really good, and I really do enjoy it. And I think our instructors are doing amazing. I feel like we'd be lost without them, so thank you to them. And yes, I really do like it. It's a really good experience.